Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you why I've been getting some of the best sleep of my life. It's because of our sheet set by Nestl. We wanted a sheet set that had deep pockets because we do have a split king, which is basically two twin-sized mattresses that can go up and down. So we wanted something that would go underneath our mattress. Our mattress is about 11 inches. So what I love about these sheets is that when we are adjusting our mattresses back and forth, the sheets aren't rolling up or getting caught on each other. They stay in place, they stay under the mattress. So that has been a huge reason why we love these sheets so much. So we got it in the color white, and the split king comes with two twin size fitted sheets, a king sized regular sheet, and two pillowcases. Also, another thing that I love about these sheets is that they are breathable, lightweight. I'm not sweating underneath my sheets. I'm going to show you up close. They're made of this really soft, smooth, kind of like a mixture of like cotton and satin. That's what it feels like, at least. It feels just so soft and smooth along your skin. So it is so comfortable. And one of the things that is the most important to me is how durable these sheets are. I wanted sheets to where I could just throw them in the washing machine each week and not have to worry about them unraveling or getting torn. So I love the quality of these sheets. They're just made really well. And that's my point of view.